In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Opera GX slowing down. If your gaming browser has started to feel laggy, pages hanging, scrolls stuttering, or videos pausing, this quick tune-up will help you get back to a smooth experience. First, open Opera GX and go to the page or tab that's acting sluggish. Start with the simplest refresh. Click the refresh icon in the toolbar, or press F5 on your keyboard. This forces the page to request fresh content from the site and can clear minor glitches that build up during long browsing sessions. Give it a moment to reload and test the page again. If the slowdown persists, we'll clean up the data that can pile up over time. Look to the left side of Opera GX for the settings gear icon and click it to open your browser settings. In the menu, select Privacy and Security. This is where Opera GX stores controls for your data and safety. Next, choose Delete Browsing Data. A panel will appear with options for what to remove. Click More to reveal the full set of items, then change the time range to all time, so nothing old is left behind. Clearing cached images and files is often the biggest win for speed because it frees up storage and removes outdated assets that can cause conflicts. Keep in mind that removing cookies and site data may sign you out of websites, so take a second to review what's selected before proceeding. When you're ready, click Delete Data. Depending on how much has accumulated, this may take a few moments. Once it finishes, return to your tabs and continue browsing. The first load of each site may be a touch slower as the cache rebuilds, but after that you should notice smoother scrolling, faster page loads, and an overall snappier Opera GX.